Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you how you can make 4 different gift baskets on a budget. And all of the items I purchased today are from your local Dollar General. So if you want some amazing gift basket ideas ranging from $5 to $15 per basket, stay tuned. So yes, I have been talking about doing this video for quite a while, and I was so excited to be able to put together these amazing gift baskets on a great budget. So we have 2 gift baskets that are $5 worth, and we have 2 gift baskets in today's video that are $15 worth. I did go shopping at Dollar General on Saturday, so I could use the Saturday 5 off 25 digital coupon. So total for all the products you see in front of you, including the wrap, including the bows, was about $50 plus taxes. I did 2 separate transactions so I can use the 5 off of 25 Saturday only digital coupon. That made my final cost for everything you see here $40 roughly plus taxes. 2 of the gift baskets are $5 and 2 of the gift baskets are worth $15 each. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that red subscribe button in the right-hand corner and the notification bell. So when I post new amazing videos or giveaways that we are doing on the channel between now and the end of the year, you will be notified and you can participate as well. I do have a giveaway going on currently for a $100 Visa gift card going on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there yet, definitely head over. I'd love to have you. It is Bree Coupon Queen. I will be choosing the winner of that on Monday the 23rd, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be starting a new giveaway on Monday in my Rakuten video, so stay tuned for that. That is why the notification bell is so important. I'm going to be giving away another $100 gift card. I did recently just hit 25,000 subscribers on my channel, which is such a blessing. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and continuing to support my channel. All of your comments and everything you guys leave are so sweet. I love every single one of you guys. And I know I've been mentioning doing this video for quite a while, so I wanted to make sure I could get it out for you guys today. So let's dive into each individual basket, what it costs, what it entails, and where the products are at Dollar General. Okay, so the first basket that we're gonna go over is inspired by teachers. So this would be a great basket, super budget friendly for you to give out to any teachers, caregivers, things like that. So everything here is what's gonna be in the basket. Of course, I will show you the final product at the end. What we have is a super cute holiday mug. There was quite a few different ones available. This is $2. Then we have some super cute holiday erasers. They are $1 for 16. We also have some scented pens, 3 for $1. And they have this super cute pen. Then we have a pencil right here, and this guy is just 50 cents. So of course we want to go ahead and take these out of the packaging. You want to remove the price tags, things like that. Don't forget the one at the bottom of the mug. Then we're going to go ahead and put all of this together, and I'll show you what it's going to look like. So total cost for this is about $5.50 plus taxes. But remember, I used the 5 off 25 digital coupon at Dollar General. So I split up all of the items I bought today in 2 transactions. So that saved me $10 right there. That's gonna allow the final cost for all of the baskets to be $5 and the other ones are $15 worth. So let's take off the price tags and put together this really cute holiday basket for teachers. Okay, so for this, I just went ahead and cut around. That way the dollar price tag is not gonna be showing, but I didn't have like a cute little holiday bag or something to put these in, but that's still gonna be fine the way it is. Then we wanna make sure that we take out the scented pens and we are gonna arrange them. Now, this is pretty large, so you don't wanna just drop the pens in there because you can't even see them. So what you can buy is the shredded paper, which I forgot to pick up today. So I have some tissue paper left over from the holidays. So what I'm gonna do is ball up some of this to stuff in the bottom. That way it'll raise up the bottom and these can stick out the top nice like this. So I like the height of those. Of course, it's preference, whatever you want to do. So let's finish putting together this gift basket for a teacher. I also grabbed a couple candy canes that we are going to be adding into some of the different gift baskets. These are $1 for 12 of them. So that is factored into the final cost of everything, but it adds another cute element for the holidays. There's also these double crisp Santas that you can grab as well. They're 3 for $1. Lots of cheap candies that you can grab with multiple in them. So you can spread them out amongst multiple different gift baskets to add some additional sweet touch to it. Okay, so there you have it. We have a super cute holiday gift basket, good for a teacher, and our final cost is around $5. So now what you're gonna wanna do is, of course, put it in a cellophane wrap. They also have tons of cheap ribbons. This one was just $2. They had some for $1 as well, depending on what your budget is and what you wanna grab. I thought this one was super cute. Farm Fresh Christmas trees has the little trucks on it as well. So we're gonna go ahead and bundle this guy up and move on to our next gift basket. The clear foil I'm using is from Dollar General as well. Everything you see in this video is from Dollar General, so you don't have to go to multiple stores or anything like that. This right here was, I believe, $1, might have been $2, something like that, but this should be plenty. It's 20 square feet, so this should definitely be plenty. The other thing you can grab is 2 of these basket bags, and they come with the ribbon to wrap them up in as well. And these are really large bags. So I'll show you, I pulled them out in the store to kind of look at them. These bags are huge. So this is the bottom and this is the top. So obviously this is gonna be a little big for our gift basket right here, but this is gonna work good on our other gift basket. So that is another idea that you can do. It's a little bit easier, that way you don't have to worry about dealing with the wrap, but that is another option, and it's just $2 for 2 bags. So this is the final product. I think this is absolutely adorable. I did the big bow as well. The reason why I like this ribbon for $2 is because it has like little wires in the top, so you can spread it out, make it look super nice. I think this is absolutely adorable, especially for just $5. Let's move on to our next gift basket. Our next basket is going to be a $15 basket, and it is more bath and beauty. So let's go over all the items that we grabbed. First thing is this little set. It's $1. Comes with a Vanilla Addict body lotion and a scented spray, which I thought was super cute. So of course we're going to remove the tag again. Then we have this Freeman mask set for $3. So we'll take it out of the packaging. It comes with a mud mask, detoxifying, and a peel-off gel mask, so you get both of them for $3. I was looking at the full-size apricot scrub, but it was a little bit more expensive, so it would have put me out of my budget range for the basket, and I thought it was nice to get 2 different kinds instead of just one full size. But of course, it is totally your discretion. Feel free to mix and match whatever you'd like for your basket. Then we have some therapy, aching muscle and pain. This is going to be a bath soak, which I thought was really nice. Then we have another bath soak right here as well. This one is aching muscle and pain, just a different look. This one is spearmint. They're both spearmint, but they're 2 different looks, so I thought that would be nice to kind of put them in. They were $1 each as well, so that was awesome. Then we have some bubble bath powder. It is $2. There were 2 different scents you could grab. The one I got was warm vanilla. Then we have 2 different face masks. They were $1 each as well. So if you want to mix and match, these were the 2 varieties that my store had. And some more bath mints. This is peppermint and this is $2. I thought that was the cutest little thing ever. So this I'm gonna wind up keeping in the packaging, even though it has the price right here. I just think this packaging is super cute and it's gonna overall make the look of the basket look a lot nicer. Then we have a nice little candle. They had a couple cents for this as well. And this too is only $1. So I smelled it in the store. I think it smells really nice. And at the end, you can always save the jar, which would be really cute. So the one I got is Pine Forest. They had like some warm apple. They had a gingerbread house one. They had a sweet vanilla as well. So whatever you think that the person you're giving the basket to would like, or if you're giving it to yourself, whatever scent you would like, definitely grab a candle and add that in. Then look how cute this holiday tin is. And this right here was, I believe, $1.50. They had the snowman and they also had a Christmas tree, but I just thought the snowman was so cute. So this too, they can always use it, put in, you know, cookies, holiday candies, chocolates, whatever. So let's put together this beauty basket. Oh, I forgot, a bath poof. What can you do when you're taking a bath if you don't have a bath poof? So I grabbed this. This is just $1 as well. It is a Dollar General bath poof. They have a couple different colors. I chose pink for mine. So let's remove the tags and put together our second gift basket. This one is worth $15. So this is the final product for the Bath and Body basket, which is worth $15. So I went ahead and used the basket bag this time instead of the clear wrap. Wanted to see what it would look like because this is a larger basket and I think it looks really nice. Has a little bit of extra flair at the top, which of course you can cut down a little bit if you want. And I went ahead and put the twisty tie on it to keep this really tight. Then I added our little bow again that we have. I think this basket is super, super cute. And let me know in the comments below which basket is your favorite of all of the baskets we're gonna show today in this video. So let's go on to the next basket. So this is another $5 basket variety that we are gonna be putting together, which I think is super cute. This one is a little bit more for somebody with a sweet tooth. We have a popcorn ball, which is just 50 cents at Dollar General. They're 2 for $1. So if you wanna grab 2, you can. I just went ahead and grabbed 1 so I could stay within the $5 budget. Then we have some hazelnut chocolate truffles. There was a couple different styles as well. I went ahead and grabbed the golden red. This is my favorite part of this basket. It is a little wooden ornament. There's actually 2 in here. So what I would recommend, whoever you're giving this to, I would have like your kids or someone paint these, decorate them. Then on the back, they can write their name. They can write a super sweet little note, Merry Christmas, whatever you guys want. I think that would be so, so cute and a very good personal touch to this basket. Then we have a large chocolate Santa. This guy was only $1. And of course, I'm gonna be adding in a couple candy canes to this basket as well. We also have some of these little chocolate crisp Santas that I'm gonna be adding in too. Then we are gonna be putting it in the other kind of basket. So earlier I showed you they had the snowman variety. They also have a really cute Christmas tree. This also, of course, they can go ahead and use, and this was $1.50 again. So total cost for this basket is gonna average out to wind up being $5. So let's put together this basket and see how it turns out. So this basket is smaller again, so I'm not gonna use the huge basket bag. I'm gonna go ahead and use the clear plastic wrap. That way I can make it the size that I want and it won't look dwarfed in this huge, huge bag. You wanna make sure that you're keeping this relative to the size of your bag so that it doesn't look bad. So let's put this together and see what the final product looks like. So this is the final product. I ran out of the ribbon, unfortunately, so I would recommend grabbing 2 of these. The only one I have left, I'm gonna use on the other basket. So wanted to share this with you guys. The final basket is probably my favorite basket. So this one I think turned out amazing. And remember this one, the cost of it was about $5. And you get all of this in here in a nice tin as well. I think this is another amazing option for the holidays. So let's move on to our final gift basket and my personal favorite. Okay, so this gift basket is gonna be worth $15. So it is based on like a baking gift basket for some s'mores, of course, which I thought would be super fun for the holidays, especially if you're giving this to someone where it gets nice and cool at night. They can have a fire, roast some marshmallows, and you are going to be providing all of the ingredients in this gift basket. So the first thing I grabbed is some graham crackers, of course. These are $2 at Dollar General. Then we have some Noel Russell Stover's chocolate. So a nice name brand chocolate that we are going to be adding. Then I also wanted to throw in a 3-count of Ferrero Rocher. I thought that would be a nice touch. This cost $1.50. Then we have some Purine. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this tin was only $1 as well. There was another version that was $1, but it came in a cardboard box. So I thought this nice tin would be really cute and add some nice flair to the overall look of the basket. We have some marshmallows. I just grabbed the small marshmallows. Of course, you can grab the large ones if you want to do that instead. And we have a nice holiday trivet. So this is what they can put the hot dishes on. If they're baking for the holidays, they can put some hot items on this on the counter. That way it doesn't damage their counter. So I thought that would be really cute. It says Merry Christmas. This was $2. And we have some Hershey's. These are literally my favorite, and look how cute. It's build a snowman. So each of the pieces you can put together and build a snowman. So I thought that would be really fun as well if there's any kids that are gonna be enjoying these s'mores. This, I believe, was about $1.50, and it comes with like a lot. Like that's a pretty big size for $1.50, which is great. So I wanted to include 2 different types of chocolate in this one. That way, if you like the white chocolate cookies and cream, I thought that would make a really good s'more. Or of course you can do the milk chocolate. Then I have a holiday towel that you can put in the kitchen. This was only $1, and I thought that was really nice. And of course, an oven mitt for baking. This doesn't relate to the s'mores, of course, but if they're gonna be baking any brownies, cookies, anything like that for Santa and the reindeer, this would be an amazing item to add as well. And it was only $1. And then of course, all of this is coming in a nice decorative tin. There were a couple different types as well. I chose the snowman because I went ahead and got the snowman Hershey's. There also was Build a Santa Hershey's, and it was red. And then there was also red tin. So whatever kind of color scheme you are going with, definitely grab what matches. And this is $3 at Dollar General. So let's put together our final holiday basket and see how everything turns out. So this is how I'm arranging the basket. I think this looks literally so cute. You want to kind of arrange it so everything is showing as best as possible. The only thing hiding is the graham crackers in the back. I put those in the back, that way it can kind of support everything else. Then you can still see all of the different items that I grabbed. The trivet is a little hidden, but that's okay. You're not going to be able to see everything, of course. And it's okay for some of the items to be kind of hanging off the edge, because when we put it in the basket bag, it's all going to stay nice and tight together. So let's put it in the bag, put on the bow and the final touches, and see how this one turns out. Okay guys, this is the final product. How beautiful is this gift basket? And I personally love s'mores. Maybe that's where I got the inspiration for this gift basket. But for only $15 of the final cost for everything, including the bags, including the whole thing. The ribbon is included in that. The wrap that I got for the other ones that we did today, everything wound up costing $5 for the small baskets, $15 for the big baskets, which I think is absolutely amazing. So let me know in the comments which basket is your favorite basket that I showed you all today. I will be doing more of these videos with even more ideas that I have for some holiday gift baskets that you can grab at Dollar General. The best time to buy these products is Saturday using the 5 off 25 digital coupon. A lot of these products today were $1 each. So using that digital coupon, it's like grabbing 5 items completely free for your basket, which is definitely a win-win. I feel so festive today. I went to Walmart and got this holiday shirt before I did this video. It was like $6. And I have my holiday earrings on from last year as well. So I'm super excited to share these baskets with you. Of course, I am gonna be probably doing these in giveaways between now and the end of the year, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video and some of the ideas that I shared, please smash that like button. It helps my channel so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.